What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So here we have just a river on the side of the road that we stopped to check out. I'm going to be doing some voiceovers to kind of explain to y'all where we're at and what we're doing. So here we're arriving to the Crested Butte in Colorado, which was our first destination. We stayed there for 2 nights, no signal. There was a restroom about maybe at least a mile away. And here's where we put our stuff. We have a campfire, a table. We're building our tents and just kind of settling in. I forgot to show you guys how we built the tents, but we did pretty easy. We set up a campfire to kind of keep us warm since it drops low in temperature at night. We put on our thermal clothes.
¿Saben qué? Esto nada más le falta pollo y es una discada.
So it is 11:21, July 8th, Monday, and we're walking currently. It's really nice. Everybody's really nice.
Like someone else says like, well, that's too much. You can't. That's out of the budget.
Yeah, first time hiking, first time camping. It's really nice. The temperature dropped a little bit, but the thermal clothes were able to keep us kind of warm. Some of my favorite parts of this trip was the night that we got to just hang out, drink our coffee, and honestly, we would get up in the middle of the night where everything's really dark and you can see the stars, and then it's just beautiful. I want to say this is probably 5 o'clock in the morning in the mountains. It's super dark. I couldn't really sleep. My tummy was hurting. I feel like it might have been the food that we were eating or the water that we were drinking, since we were getting water from the nearby rivers or whatever, and we were filtering them, so maybe that might have caused that. So make sure you have a good filter, or make sure you get enough water from your local store. After the 2 nights camping in the Crested Butte, we are headed to Telluride, Colorado, and this is just a view while we were leaving. We also stopped by this place, this lake, I believe, and it's called Trains and Trout. pause it, read it. Really interesting. And then this is when we arrived to the town of Telluride. It was really nice. The architecture is kind of interesting to me. It's a small, almost small and big at the same time. I'm not really sure. But we're on our way to get some food.
Vamos por la hamburguesa.
So something really cool about this town is they have a gondola station, and I wish we would have seen it in the morning. I feel like we would have seen much more and it would have been even more beautiful, but we were only able to get on at night. We were running behind on time, so it's not really going to show you that well, but you can kind of see the lights and the little town, all the lights lit up. I think it's open till like around 12 or 2 in the morning, which was awesome. And it's totally free. I think that is amazing and a tourist attraction. We went into town after that and just kind of looked at everything and all the little stores. It was very fancy, honestly. And it was very beautiful, almost movie-like. I really recommend going there. We didn't really get to eat and stuff or like check anything out because we were camping, but we got to see some stuff. We're gonna go hike to that waterfall over there that y'all see. That's where we're heading. So right now, we're hiking up. Kind of chilly. Getting closer. Gotta This is so beautiful. So we're making our way to the third waterfall and it's amazing. So gotta keep going. Mira aquí hay wood. view. Much more difficult than I anticipated. But our goal is probably the top of those sand dunes. Sorry for the heavy breathing. This is actually really hard. I'm kind of glad I brought water. I thought it would be easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's beautiful though. My friend's all the way over there. I don't know, where is he? Can y'all see him? Somewhere. So here's the view up to the top. I think that's as far as we go. That was very, very tough, so I think that's as far as we go. But the view is very beautiful. There's the mountains and all those. There's people over there. Probably went up that way. So we went up, now we have to go down. Oh God. The Great Sand Dunes were our last destination. We camped there for the last night and it was amazing, great view. But if you do go, make sure you take a really good bug spray because there will be at least 50 mosquitoes on you at all times. But with that being said, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.